Hello, Professor. So this is my e-portfolio. I feel that my assignment that best represents me as a teacher would be the family literacy backpack. I feel like with this assignment, I was able to have some creativity in assigning a topic that they would be able to look at, which in my case was travel. So I was able to use P for Passport, all the places you'll go, and a New Zealand Insight Guide, which was really cool for me to be able to use because my brother's actually in New Zealand at the moment. Um, and then this is just something that I was able to put together. With this assignment, I was definitely able to gain feedback and ways to improve and change, which is highlighted in my reflection as well. Um, the assignment that I'm the most proud of, again, would have to be this and also the book trailer, as well as the author study. With the book trailer, I was able to reread some of my childhood books and see which ones would best be portrayed for me in an actual trailer using iMovie. So I felt that that was very good and helpful for myself. So that I would actually do this for my own students in my own classroom, so that they'd be able to um, understand and get excited about the books that we would be reading. And I also was the most proud of the author study because I feel like Summer and I were able to get together and work together efficiently and put together a really beautiful PowerPoint that full of graphics and information that was able to allow each of us to get to know Aaron Fry. Um, and then in class, I was also both of us were able to present this as well. There were definitely things we could improve on, but I feel like this overall was a very teachable moment for us. And the assignment that was the most challenging for me was probably the self-selected virtual library. And I only say this because I wasn't really able to figure this out until I asked for help in class. Other than that, it was really fun getting all of my books and reading them and doing those things. But um, in the moment, putting it all together was difficult. So this is my portfolio. I hope you enjoy looking at it and perusing. Thank you for all your work with this class. And I hope you have an amazing summer.